he still got his stuff, and he still got his hair equipment. He actually got his electricity turned on the other day, I heard, so maybe he's heading in the right direction there where we can get back on here.
Hell, knowing him, he probably had three-phase running there where his radio's at.
10-4. Well, he had a big nice house and he sold it. I think he bought 10 or 15 acres out in the sticks, and he was living in a camper, and he just gonna build him something, I think. I'm telling you, man, Peekaboo may whoop me, but you sound just like him.
Well, I'll let you tell him that.
Well, I turned on the gate now, so I guess he can hear it for himself.
Well, I figured he'd be on there tonight, but I guess not. He might be busy.
If he can key up and talk, there ain't a dime's worth of difference between the way y'all sound, hardly.
Well, brother, if you key up a little longer, you sound just like him.
What I gotta do, hold the key down for 30 minutes?
Who was that, Bush Hog?
No, it's 291.
Oh, well, good evening, 291. You sounded good up here.
Yeah, I've been sitting here saying back and listening to you. Yeah, you blowing smoke down here, baby.
Sam, well, that's a good deal. I'm just on the driver on 12.5 volts. I'm not running that much power, but like I said, man, he sounds like Peekaboo. Where you at, Peekaboo? I want you to hear this. He might be out partying tonight.
Yeah, he might be. Yeah, that's the way Peekaboo is. There's a party, he's gonna be there.
10-4.
He can't hear me on flat side, though.
Who can't hear you?
Peekaboo.
Shit.
I ain't sitting here on that ground plane. He can't hear me.
Are you on flat side right now?
Yeah, that's what I'm on now, that 4M with Super Radio.
10-4 advertising for Joe Gun. You got me 9 pound edge of the red right now.
And hell, I guess we're, I don't know what you think, 291, 20 miles apart. Yeah, about that.
Peekaboo's not a big believer in the flat side, is he?
He said he can't tell no difference.
Well, he's got to get a flat antenna first if he wants to tell the difference.
That's true. Oh, you think him dipoles is it?
Well, I'm on a flat and vertical combined, but mine don't do good on vertical local. Local talking, mine's more or less flat, but skip talking, it goes in circles. You know, I'm on that Joe Gun 6-element V-series.
114, Waco, Texas.
114, Waco, I still got you. Somebody said good evening, 018. Good evening, whoever it was.
There's Roadrunner. I text open.
Bo, you sound like a local down here in Waco, Texas.
T-Boy 114, what'd you do, Roadrunner?
You mean what I...
You go way down.
Well, so did you. I guess conditions changing.
I guess so. That 114 coming here wide open now.
Yeah, 114, Waco, Texas. Trying to get a break.
Yeah, 114, man. You're still getting to Tennessee. I still got you good up here in 10.
Man, y'all blowing smoke over here in Waco, Texas. I don't know where y'all at, but y'all blowing smoke.
10-4, 114. I'm in Middle Tennessee. Be 018 Tennessee Beavis over at donkeystomperproducts.
Oh, Tennessee, blowing smoke over here in Waco, Texas. Tell 440 hello. Tell him Smokey says hello over here.
Yeah, I lost it.
440, if you can hear me, Smokey says hello.
Well, tell him I say hello right back, brother.
Hey, Smokey, 440 says hello right back to you, buddy.
Now, did you hear that question I asked you? You got your grand plane up, man.
Could you hear 440 in there?
Yeah, I can go on the ground plane, but it won't talk as good, 440.
Just wondering what kind of ground plane you got.
Yeah, I'm here. Smokey. It's Smokey over here.
I got a Colossal 10K. A Colossal 10K.
You got that clock?
114 over here, Waco, Texas. Home of the Branch Davidians over here. Come on.
10 for you. Mother Nature, she's acting silly right now. We'll stand by here a second.
You got a clock?
Hey, did you get a hold of 440 over in Tennessee over?
Yeah, I told him, 114, I told him, he said hello, and he said hello right back to you, man.
10-4. Yeah, I can't hear him over here with all this skip, but yeah, he's blowing smoke, I know for sure. But I'm just trying over here. It's just Smokey over here in Waco, Texas. 114, hollering back.
Roger, Smokey in Waco, Texas. Yeah, I told him, he said hello back to you, man, and you're doing a good job, 114.
10-4. I just got this radio going. It's a Cobra 148 CTL, and I got it running into Skipper 300 here. Come on, we're just trying over here in Waco, Texas. Come on, Tennessee.
10-4 on the Cobra 148 and Skipper 300 in Waco, Texas. Man, you're sounding good in Tennessee.
10-4. Yo, just holler at 440 for me, because I can't hear him. It's just too much noise, but he's a local for me. He's up north about probably 40 miles from me, but yeah, I can't hear him, but I can hear y'all. Y'all over there in Tennessee sound like locals over here for sure. 114, Waco, Texas, back quiet.
Yeah, 114, 440 said hello. I'm standing by.
I don't know, Tennessee's blowing smoke over here. Y'all need to just keep it up. Keep on, don't shut up. Just keep on talking there. Come on, don't bother. Don't bother us over here in Texas. Well, I could turn on one Mother Nature maker and y'all hear me probably, but probably wouldn't do a lot of good, both ways.
He's coming in hot. Watch out, man. He's coming in hot.
Hey, there's Peekaboo. What are you doing, Peekaboo?
Shit, I'm trying to drink some beer and be somebody there, Brayton.
Tim Ford, hey, you know who sounds like you now? Roadrunner sounds like you do, Peekaboo.
He probably just confusing us with the Texas accent.
Yeah, well, I got a video gate going, and I got Roadrunner on it at first. I lost conditions with him. But I want you to listen when I post a video gate. I want you to listen to him and listen to you.
Roger, I will.
Yeah, he's a good friend of mine, man. For sure, man. Well, yeah, good hearing you. As a matter of fact, he texted me and told my ass to get on the air, and I was about to, man. I've been in there making a big old pot of pinto beans and tacos, man. So I was cooking dinner for my dad and wife, cousin, you know. Anyway, of course, I hadn't eaten anything. I'm always the last to eat, but anyway, good hearing you, brother. Yeah, conditions seem to be fading a little bit. I'm rocking on.
Well, you're strong on my end. I don't know how you're hearing me. I can turn the power if I need to, but you come in here loud. They lost conditions, but you gained them, it sounds like.
No, you were strong that time. The last time you faded out just for, you know, at the end. But yeah, you're strong. I mean, that was easy to hear you right there.
Yeah, well, yeah, it's up and down, but I can tell the difference between you and Roadrunner, but y'all are starting to sound a lot alike since he's got his radio straightened up.
Roger.
Hey, peekaboo. Hey, is this radio on frequency?
Sounds like it.
10-4. Hey, my damn frequency counter's bad. While my other radios was off, my damn my frequency counter was bad.
Really want to fix that radio. Drink you half of it. And pour the other half in the radio and let it dry overnight. That cotton picker will get up and run, son.
Hey, this is that same radio that was fading in and out there. Is it doing all right now, or what?
Yeah, it sounds like the only thing missing is 6 ounces of Lone Star beer.
10-4, yeah. He had a damn recorder in here, the record toy, and it was throwing the damn, I forgot what he said, the frequent, damn, hell, I remember what he said exactly, but it was throwing off the damn something there.
Man, you ain't over there messing around with that muscadine wine, are you?
Always.
Good, you should be.
No, but he is, throwing the impedance. That's what he said, the impedance. That's what he said.
Yeah, there's no telling, man. You know, you start adding shit in the audio chain of a radio, man, it can definitely be a challenge, you know, from echo boards to, you know, some of the Roger Beeps noise toys. Man, I try not to mess with them, man, but years ago I messed with them a lot more, but, you know, it was real easy to have something screw up. There was a 2517 that was out there on the bench. I don't know, it's probably been 3 or 4 months ago. 85 went through it, and, you know, we were doing a, you know, factory alignment on it, and the damn thing would not act right until he took the noise toy out. And the noise toy normally a lot like the, you know, but anyway, that being said, another radio, my longtime good friend Mr. Voodoo had, he brought down here last week, and 85 come out here to look at it. And dude, it must have been from a Mexican taxi cab driver. It had like 2 or 3 Roger Beeps in it. One of them was one of them bold 5-tones with all the trimmer pots on it. You know, and I guess the cap was messed up in the had a donkey fart. And I mean, that thing would just sit there and fart until you turned it off, man. But nothing would act right until he took that shit out of there. It wouldn't, you know, it wouldn't show any output power, wouldn't get no audio. You know, yeah, a lot of times adding all that shit, you know, it seemed cool back in the day, but sometimes less is more, they're breaking.
10-4, yeah, it was a impedance mismatch on this. I had a recorder in here. Well, I didn't hook it, but once I unhooked it, it's done good. And so yeah, so it's an impedance mismatch on the recorder. It was an old school recorder, and we're gonna put a different kind of recorder in there. But yeah, I think I figured it out, or he figured it out on this 148 GPL. Yeah.
Oh, I get it. So the carburetor was running a little hot, and it had an air-to-fuel mismatch, and then the sexual relation between the intake and the exhaust manifold got hung up in together, and it threw the way the hell off there.
Info.
Yeah, nobody likes it when there's impedance. So you don't want impedance. You want the record break.
Info. Yeah, it's a old school recorder. It's the orange body on there, but this is like a white one, and it's an old one, and it's a impedance mismatch, and we're gonna replace it. But yeah, I ain't replaced it yet, so I ain't got a recorder right now. But yeah, Tim, hopefully it's working and not messing up like it was, And we're gonna replace it. I ain't replaced the recorder. Tim, working and not messing up like it was. Sounds good. I hope I'm on frequency.